Have you ever noticed that many small YouTube channels are suddenly getting thousands or even millions of views in 2026? If you think you need 1,000 or 100,000 subscribers before YouTube recommends your video, think again. In today's video, I will explain how YouTube is helping small creators to grow fast than ever before, what has changed in 2026, and the exact things you should focus on if you want your channel to grow. Make sure you watch until the end because the last tip is the one that many creators still ignore and it could make a huge difference. Let's get started. YouTube cares about viewers, not subscribers. One of the biggest myths in YouTube is that only big channels get promoted. That isn't how recommendation systems works. When you upload a video, YouTube first shows it to small groups of viewers who are likely to be interested. If they click watch for a good amount of time and continue watching more videos, afterward, YouTube expands the audience. This means even a brand new channel has a chance to succeed if viewers respond well. Every upload is a new opportunity. 2. Every video starts fresh. Many people believe their channel is dead. In reality, each new video is tested on its own. If your latest upload performs better than previous one, YouTube can recommend it widely even if your old videos didn't do well. That's why consistency matters. Don't judge your future based on what your last upload. 3. Better recommendations through AI. In 2026, YouTube's recommendation system has become ever better at understanding what viewers enjoy. Instead of relying mostly on channel size, it looks closely on viewer behavior. Questions the system considers include: do people click? Do they keep watching? Do they watch another video afterward? Are they satisfied with what they watched? If viewers enjoy your content, YouTube has a reason to recommend it to many people. 4. Strong thumbnails. Titles matter more than ever. Your thumbnail and title creates the first impression. Before anyone watches your video, they decide whether it's worth clicking. Create thumbnails that are clear, easy to understand, and emotionally engaging. Avoid misleading viewers with clickbaits that your video doesn't deliver on. A good title creates curiosity while accurate describing the content. When your title and thumbnail match the video's value, viewers are more likely to trust your channel. 5. Focus on audience satisfaction. YouTube wants viewers to leave happy. If your video answers questions, entertain people, or teach something useful, viewers are more likely to stay engaged. Ask yourself, does my intro get straight to the point? Is the video interesting throughout? Would I watch this video if someone else made it? Improving your audience satisfaction often leads to better recommendations over time. 6. Consistency builds momentum. Uploading regularly helps viewers to know what to expect. You don't have to upload every day. Choose a realistic schedule, such as once or twice a week, and stick with it. Over time, YouTube gathers more information about your audience, making it easier to recommend your videos to the right people. Growth often comes from many consistent uploads rather than one viral video. The biggest opportunity for small creators in 2026 is that YouTube gives every upload a chance to find an audience. Instead of worrying about subscribers numbers, focusing on creating videos that people genuinely want to watch. Work on better title, better thumbnails, strong storytelling, and consistency approach. Keep learning from your analytics and improve your reel with every video. Success happens overnight, but creators who stay consistent and keep improving give themselves the best chances to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification so that you never miss the future YouTube's growth tip. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.